Here you can see the divisions. Can you see the division? Define, copy, delete divisions. So what
Yeah.
do you mean by division? Don't try to tell me in SAP terms. You can tell me in the general terms. General terms. General English terms. Divisions.
Different departments.
Okay. Perfect.
It's
Okay.
a department under a company.
Okay.
So sales organization, maybe.
Okay. Right. See, basically what you said all three is true. Division is nothing but based on something we are dividing a product.
Okay.
Let's say we see here someone is like above 90%, will keep them under A plus category, right? As per our education, A plus.
Yes.
They are into A plus grades. And someone is between 80 to 90, they are into A category, like means A grades.
Yes.
So here how we are deciding like who are into A grade and who are into A plus grade means based on the percentage attained by the student, right? If someone is from above 90%, now we are above 90% means we are making into them A plus grade. If they are between 80 to 90, we are making into A grade. So here based on the percentage, I am segregating the candidates, right? Here also in our organization, based on the product or material, just like all raw materials into one side, or all finished goods into one side, or all electrical items into one side, all other items into one side, all Android mobiles into one side, iPhone related products into one side. So based on some criteria, I'm dividing the materials. You're understanding, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to define one division. Click on the division. Let me go to new entries. Here you can see here. Someone created car, keyboards, televisions, monitors, refrigerator reproduction, sofa, televisions, umbrella. So whatever. So what I do is like I'll create two. One is T1, that is raw material. Okay. And I want to create one more two. It is T2 as a finished product. Okay. I'm dividing my materials into two. One is raw material and one is finished product. So I'm getting an error. Basically, you understand one thing. Here, I'm getting you can see an error with red mark, right? If something
Yes.
is popping out with the red mark, that means it is an error. So if something is with red exclamation, that is nothing but an error. If something is with yellow mark, that is it's a warning. Warning. When the system is prompting you with a red mark, system doesn't allow you to save the document basically. Here now I am my system is saying like an entry already existing with the same key. That means it is an error. Red one. You can see the red mark, right? So the red mark indicates an error, and when it is an error, you cannot save the document. And also we have with yellow color, triangle shape with yellow color. So in that case, it is a warning. Still by continuing, you can save the data. System is warning you whether some particular data is in the future date or particular data is not yet created, but still systems is just before saving the document, it is just giving a warning. But still clicking on the continue button, you can save the document. But when it is an error, you cannot save the document. Clear? So T1 actually what it is saying, already same key existed, so system is not allowing me to save the document. So I'm trying to keep it as T7. Let me check. And entry T7 is also someone used. So what I do is like let me keep one T.
Actually, one doubt. Why we are not using here company code?
What company code?
I mean TT14. We actually yesterday we create one company code, right? TT14. So why we are not using here?
Basically, division is of 2 digits.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving 2 digits.
Oh.
Yeah.
We can.
And we can use the numbers also, right? Not only alphabets, right?
Yes, yes. It is an alphanumeric key.
Oh,
That's why I'm using a combination of K9 something. Even
okay.
You use a comma or something like that.
Comma Q. We'll keep it like this. Okay. Comma Q. Comma W, something like that. Okay. Now these are my divisions now. So comma Q, just try to note this because whenever I want to enter the divisions, right, I should know this. So comma Q and comma W are my divisions. Comma Q is for defining the raw material and comma W is for finished product. Okay. And try to save the document. Now here, my plant got created and also my divisions got created. Plant takes after plant to look after the procurement process, and my division is like based on the category or something. We are segregating the materials, right? This is what happened. Now let me go back. Now we are in definition part.